Hello everyone, welcome today on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, October the 5th, 2021. We have here one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku, but in this newspaper there is also an additional with a lot of puzzles. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, Killer Sudoku, binary puzzle number 1, and a binary puzzle number 2. Total of 9 extra Sudokus. It's too much. Yes, it's too much. But first, we will solve this baby Sudoku Medium. Let me zoom this and focus this. This will be number 3490. Yes, 3490. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. And for 26 printed digits, if you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. For 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between, together with the 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 and the 7 are in those 2 boxes as a pair, 6 and the 7. We see here 7, we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. Alright, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, let me mark those. Alright. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And we have a pair. 1 and a 9. Sorry. 1 and a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 1 and a 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 and the 9 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9. 1 and the 9. Alright. So 1 number left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Alright. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So on the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3 in this big square. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square here. We have the 1 and the 9. The other pair should be the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then, let me see. How about, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second row, so in the third row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, we see there 1, so no 1s in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Alright. Alright. Then. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Then. 7, 7. Yeah. 7, 7. 7. Okay. 3, 3. 6. 6 in this column. Third column. 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see here 6, we see there 6, so no 6s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Okay. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the first column. We have here the 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Well, we see here 7 and there 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Another 7 there, so no 7 here. The only place for the 7 should be there. So the 2 is missing. 7. The 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9. And look, we have an 8 in this row, an 8 in the third row. So no 8s in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. So now 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 9 are missing. Let me mark those. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So the last row, only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see here 7, we see there 7, so no 7s in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then. How about 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in this box. There 2, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, and look, we have a 3 and a 4 in this row. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those two boxes. So we have a 3 and a 4 in this row, 3 and a 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 3 and 4 should be in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column. 3 in the last column, yes. 3 in the column next, so in that column, only place for the 3 should be there. One number left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. This box should be a 4, and that box should be a 9. Alright, now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Alright. Okay. Let me see. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be an 8. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. Let me mark those two boxes. 5 and a 9. Then 1 number left in this column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing, so we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then two numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. Let me see. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. This box should be a 2. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 2 and a 9. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left. Oh, wait, 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2, 1 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 9. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next to that column. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Exactly. Yes. And I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the medium, for the heavy, for the light, for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the tectonic, for the binaries, for the killer Sudoku. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Yeah, and we will meet again later on, maybe in the evening, with the other 5 puzzles. Yes, I will do 5 puzzles in the additional. Let me see, where is the additional? Oh, yeah, those puzzles are too much for me. Yes, it's too much. 9 puzzles today in additional. Well, see you then. Bye bye for now.